Do you have any idea how fast I am? I'm fast as fuck, boy!
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I genuinely don't know what to tell you guys. Life been bad lately. I didn't record a video for a whole month because I got hit by a car and I couldn't even move my elbow. And then the week after that, I got sick. I haven't recorded a video in a month, but that's 2 weeks. Well, the other 2 weeks, I forgot about YouTube.
Why would you know where you're going? I don't know what I'm doing.
Alright, so I just woke up and today we're gonna make breakfast. So I don't want to show you the kitchen because it's a little dirty right now, but I'm gonna clean it and come back to you. Alright, so I cleaned the kitchen. Right now we're gonna get our chicken. We're gonna eat for breakfast. So I am on a bulk today. So I'm gonna make chicken breast and and eggs. I'm gonna see how it goes. So there's a little mess here. I try to clean all of it, but that's all I can do because I just woke up and I'm really tired. So let's get started. Now we're gonna weigh the chicken. As you guys can see, 328 grams of chicken breast. Now don't forget, this is not the protein. Now we're gonna put our spices. We're gonna put garlic powder, black pepper, and chili. So now we're gonna mix it. I did forget to squeeze the lemon in the beginning, but it's whatever. Now we're gonna chop onions. Don't chop a lot of onions, just bro, I hate chopping onions, bro. Look at me, bro. It looks like it. Let's add the onions. Make sure to keep it for just a minute and then add the chicken after that minute. So until we wait for the chicken, we're just gonna chop potatoes. Now I'm gonna lower it. So right now we're gonna flip all of them. All the pieces we're gonna flip them. So, I think the chicken is ready. We can check by just like bring a spoon. If we put it in and it goes right up, then it's cooked. But if it sticks there, then it's still not cooked. I'm just gonna keep a little bit until I finish the potatoes. Here. Bro, come on, bro.
So for the eggs, 1 whole egg and 100 grams of egg whites. And then 100 grams of vegetables.
And now we prepared everything and we're done with making
The most bulkiest breakfast ever.
Alright guys, I was busy yesterday and I couldn't record the clip from yesterday, so today's the next day. I did edit some of the clips. Now the macros are 821 calories as you see here, 121 grams of protein, 28 grams of carb, 20 grams of fat. This is the most healthy breakfast, bulky, that you can ever eat. And yeah, if you really like this video, make sure you give me a like, subscribe, and hit that bell button. I'll be uploading. Yeah, I'll try to upload. I'll try to upload almost every day. Now I'm getting busy, but I'll try my best. I'll try my best. Now this is my first video recording that I'm cooking food. So if I didn't really know how to talk or like edit good or something like that, you know, we just started. I'll be coming up with a new video with my whole school routine. And I got a surprise for all y'all in 2 weeks. I'm leaving America.